Okay, guys, this is part one of two-way tables on 427, page 147 of your notebook. So we're going to talk about a Venn diagram, then we're going to talk about example one, and then I'm going to stop the video for part one and then go to part two so you can have two pieces, but you need to watch both of these. So in this Venn diagram, there's joggers and they do weights. So they jog and weight. So five students or people jog, 5 or 8 people lift weights, and 11 of them jog and lift weights together. There's 2 people out here that don't jog or lift weights. So you have to set up a table. So the way you set up a table is there's weights and jogging, then there's no weights and no jogging, and then there's a total and a total. It must be like that. So whenever you have 2 different parts to this, jogging and weights, you must have weights, no weights, jog, no jog, and then 2 totals here and here. So you set that up. So then you fill it out. Weights and jogging. Who does weights and who's jogging? 11 people. Jog and do weights right here, 11. How about jogging and no weights? Jogging and no weights, so that would be 5 because they're jogging, but there's no weights to them. They're not in that circle. If you look here, no jogging and weights would be 8 because no jogging, that means that 8 is not in that part of the circle. No jogging and weights. You got to look at it like this. No jogging and weights. Come over and down. Then no weights and no jogging, that would be 2 because there's no weights, no jogging, that would be 2 people. Then you just add down, this is a column. Remember, this will be a column and this is a column. This is important. Columns, when you look at, and these are rows. Row 1, row 2. You could name them row 1 if you want. Row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2 if you want. Okay, so then you do this total, 16, 10, and 26. So 26 down, 26 across. So let's say you have this situation, example 1. So example 1, let me zoom in a little bit better and see if that helps. This one's, I'm going to give you a copy of this because it's not very readable. It's best I could grab. So it says there are 195 male and 126 female students at McGuffey Junior High. A survey showed that 110 males and 84 females ride the bus. So you have males, females, bus riders, and no bus riders. So those are your 4 different titles. Male, female, bus, no bus. Okay, then a total and a total just like we had up here. So with that information, we're going to fill in this chart. So with that information, I'm going to slide down just a little bit. We're going to start filling in the chart. So it says there were 110 males that rode the bus. So you put 110 here. Bus riders, males. So look across and down. And there was 84 females that rode the bus. And total, 195 males. Okay. And total 126 females. So you work across 195, 126 total males and females. Now we start filling in. Well, you can fill this in by adding straight down, and you get 196 or 194 right here, which I'm going to slide this down now and start filling in this table. So I want you to see the table as I fill it in. So 110 plus 84 is 194, and I filled it in with yellow. Okay. Then it says no bus. Well, there's 110 males that rode the bus, so subtract 195 minus 110, you get 85 males that did not ride the bus. Same thing for females. Okay, there's 126 total, 84 rode the bus, so 126 minus 84 gives you 42 for the number of females that did not ride the bus. So you have 85 and 42 for males and females that did not ride the bus. Now you just move down and add from there. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So now we're just going to add down. We already did that, 194. We can add these 2 together and get 127. And then we can add these 2 together and get 321. 321 should sum this, and 321 should sum that. And that's how you fill in a table.